How to remove your profile picture on Facebook without deleting it. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I'll be showing you the ways on how you can remove your profile picture on Facebook without deleting it. So to begin with, check your internet connection, update your application and log into your Facebook account. Once you're logged into your account, it's going to direct you to the home page. Right on this page, click on the profile icon from the top left hand side corner. After that, it's going to take you to your profile page. In order to add a profile picture without deleting the other profile picture, you need to use the same photo that is actually uploaded on Facebook, and make sure not to upload a new photo that's actually not uploaded on Facebook. So I'm going to select it from my photos. So as you can see, these are all the photos that I've actually added on my Facebook post. Go ahead and tap on the camera icon located right on top, and from here you need to go ahead and tap on select profile picture. So this is going to show you the camera roll photos that you have actually shared in the suggested photos to upload. So these are all the photos that I've actually uploaded on my post. So I'm just gonna go ahead and select the same photo that is gonna be right over here, and then adjust the size accordingly. Once you've done that, you can also share this to your feed. If you don't want, then just unmark this and click on the save button. So as you can see that the photo has been uploaded, and along with that, I've not deleted the photos. So you can just go to the photos, and here you can see this was the old photo of mine. In this way, you can remove or change your profile picture on Facebook without deleting it. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.